Hi, Abyssal. Hey. Hey, Abyssal, hi. Hi, Ethan. Hi, Punk Shit. Hi, guys. Hey. Sorry, I'm just having a quick snack. Hi, Erix. Hi, Cookie. Hi, everyone. Hey, are you here to watch me struggle? Are we all excited to watch me suffer through a maths test? You were first. Abyssal was before you and Punk Shit also. I'm sorry, Ethan. I'm sorry. In your domain for this. Oh, but no to chat. I see. I see. We're both doing maths during the stream. Wow, it's gonna be great. I'm gonna be really shit at it though. Hi guys. Hi guys. How are we all? Hi guys. How are we? Hi. Sorry, I'm just eating a Malteser's bunny. There's a little bit of a snack. OMG, same. OMG, that's such a serve. You mistyped? Oh no. Oh dear. Oh no. Ow. Malteser's bunny. Num num num. I am muted. You're right. Okay. Hi, I'm back. I'm alive again. Sorry, I was eating, so I kind of muted for a second there. Right, I'm gonna wait for the ads to go, and then we'll get started on the sillies today. But for now, how are you all doing? How are you all feeling? I like musicals. Me too. You saw your music teacher smoke weed. Bye. I'm dead. I was muted. Thank you. Ad break. Ad break. I'm not the one who fought for you. Good luck. Big day. Big day for mathematics fans, guys. Also known as nobody in the world ever. Right, let me check. Let me check that the... It's working. Why is it so dark? 1 sec. Let me put some filters on that to make it brighter. How do I do that? Color correction, maybe? Brownies or go bowling. Want a life with me. Can't it be 7? I should use a calculator? No. No, I can't. Foundation tier? No, this is... Oh, it is foundation tier. Shit, you're right. No, I wasn't going to do that. I was going to do... I'm going to do this one. Sorry, I forgot to change it. Download paper. So that's foundation. I genuinely... You should use a calculator, it's easier. Well, yes, that's the point of a calculator, I fear. But I'm not, because it's a non-calculator paper, and I have to be trustworthy and honorable. Wait, I just imported that to my current document. Never mind. Okay, go here. That. Open. Good notes. Maybe prom night. Okay, why don't we get periods? It's still not cool. I know, right? We should delete menstrual cycles. Can't we be 17? Okay, if I do that as 0, and that is... Why is it weird? Okay, 1 sec. HDR tone mapping? Is that right, maybe? No. Okay. I'm confused, chat. Surely I just up the gamma, right? You know what I think I might have to do? Just up the brightness on my iPad to like max. Crank that shit up, you know? Okay, that did nothing. Huge day. We're doing maths! We're doing maths! You got an 8 in yours? Oh, well, I got a 9 in mine, so I want to see if I remember any of it, to be honest. I did further maths, GCSE, so I'm meant to be good at this shit, but I guarantee I've forgotten all of it. Math sucks. You're right. It does. Why would you subject yourself to this? Because I needed a stream concept for today, and I realized that my capture card works with my iPad, so I thought this would be funny. So I've got it on my iPad so I can write it out. Hey, Calico. What is the title? It's a GCSE Maths Sesh. Whoa. I don't think you're giving my GCSEs. I'm sorry. 2020. Yes. Okay. Basically, right. I was doing my GCSEs in 2020. And then obviously they all got cancelled because coronavirus. So I went and okay, wait, we'll wait for are the ads done? Are the ads done for everyone? Hi, guys. Okay. Let's give you the rundown. So yeah, I was doing GCSEs in 2020, right? And COVID fucked all that over. So I never did my maths paper. I never did any of my papers. I got my mocks and it was, I need to sneeze. I got my predicted grades. So I don't know, thank you, Cookie, how well I would have done. So I thought today, let's do the maths paper that I never did in 2020. Yeah, exactly. I did like the school mock exams, but we never got around to the nationals. So I thought, fuck it, let's ruin my day and do a bit of maths action. So that's what we're doing for today, guys. We're hitting a bit of a mathematics grind, you know? Oh, wait, can I power this iPad as well so I don't have to worry about... Actually, you know what? I'll leave it until later. So yeah, that's my activity. Guys, what happened to the signal, guys? Guys, capture card, no, don't fuck me now, please. Is it that one? That one. But I'm alive, I am so alive. And I feel all the fear. Wait, maybe if I unplug and plug it back in again? Or is it here? No surprise, I'm alive. Right, unplug. Plug back in. You didn't actually get it on maths, just your teachers thought you got it. Yeah, pretty much. Okay. Here's my predicted grades. I love the part in Duck Stream where he ends it, he shuts the fuck up. So I hate you, essentially. Is kind of what I'm thinking here. But I need to get this thing working right. Oh. So my camera just froze, everybody. One second, let me turn it off and on again. I own you. Right, let's ignore that beautiful angle of me. Are we back? We're back! Hello! Hi, guys. Sorry, it does that every time. Hey. Ignore all that. That was something. Amazing screenshot. Thank you. Hey, it's me again. Hey, guys. Wait, if I deactivate and activate again. iPad? iPad? Hello, iPad? No signal. Why no signal, Elgato? Elgato HD60X? You've got a white light on my screen. Sorry, guys. This is a bit janky. I'm currently using like 3 different plugged-in things to make this thing work. Right. Jam that in real hard. Elgato? Like the cat? It is like the cat. You're so right. Fishing is on, but I need to probably move this paper. That's probably a better spot for the paper, isn't it? Just for while it's there. Once we're doing it, I'll put it on the big screen. But yeah, I jammed it in real hard, so now it should be working. So that's my job for today, is to do my GCSE maths paper. I've got a timer. Let me make a little window capture for that as well. Hold on. I'm alive. I'm so alive. I'm a mess always, you know that. Yeah. I'm alive. Hey, Duck. I have ADHD, pie, and outer boredom. I created a little accountability project today. Should I do with you? I'd like to get your opinions. You're doing GCSE maths. I'm actually not doing my GCSEs right now. I'm doing a GCSEs stream. I am 21 years of age and I'm in university. So I appreciate the offer, but I'm not doing my GCSEs right now. I'm sorry. Why can't I find the timer? What the heck? Battlefield waving Betsy Ross's flag higher. Yow. Turns out we have a secret weapon, an immigrant. You know and love who's unafraid to step in. He's constantly confusing. This song is so good. Oh, this is a banger. Do you mind sharing with anyone stuff for GCSE? Well, I mean, you can't really post links in the chat, but if you want to share some stuff, whack it in the Discord. If you do exclamation mark Discord, it'll bring up the link. I'm enraging him. I got to France. Are you still in love with Descolado? It's a banger. There you go. There you go. There's Discord. Yeah, that guy's really hot. That guy's really hot, Abyssal, okay? I'm in love with him. How do I make my fucking... There is a lot on the screen right now, I know. I'm sorry, it's very cluttered. Hamilton. So much is more practical, tactical brilliance. You want to fight for your land back? I need my right-hand man back. Yeah, get your right-hand man back. You know you gotta get your right-hand man back. I mean, you gotta put some thought into the letter, but the sooner the better. Just get your right-hand man back. Can I game capture, please? Does that not count as a real window? Okay. I don't know if I can keep the timer on screen. Traffic cones remind me of something. Students in the UK also steal traffic cones. Over here, no student. Yes, we do that a lot. Why do you ask about traffic cones? Where did that come up? I'm confused. I'm lost. Where am I? You're sick today? I'm so sorry. It is a rite of passage. But yeah, basically... Oh, you fished up a traffic cone. Oh, right. Okay, sorry. I'm lost. I'm so lost. Everything is going crazy right now. I don't know what's going on. Maybe if I do a window display capture and then just do like a little bit of that one. That boy? No, not wrong one. That one. And then that's my Discord. And then I do that. And then I do that. And then I do this. And I do this. Timer reveal. Timer reveal. Right. Apparently Windows default timer app doesn't let you capture it. So that's how I'm doing it for today, guys. Thoughts? Thoughts, anybody? How are you all doing before we get started on the maths? Oh, thank you very much, Rain. That's very kind. There we go. Timer. I'll make it small in the corner. Timer complete. Let me switch to this one. I think it's in game that I did it on. It is. Okay. Work that there. He has flown too close to the sun. Right. Are we all ready? I like how organized the screen is. It's so organized and stuff. Right. Let me write in my name. Ducksworth. Oh, that's a pencil. No, I should be using black ballpoint pen, as we all know. Ducksworth. Please don't critique my handwriting, guys. It's really fucked up if you do. Harrison. I declare this is my own work. Smiley face. I promise. There we go. You cannot say shit about handwriting. Yeah, okay. What? Fuck you, copy. What do you mean, what the fuck? Right, how do I make this thing brighter? Because currently it is really dark for no reason. I think it's because it's HDR. HLG? No. That's better. Right, I'll make the pencil a bit thicker so you can actually read it. Heaven forbid someone whisper he's part of some scheme. Do I just whack a filter on it and hope for the best, maybe? I know about whisper. Color correction. Let's just do this and then crank up the gamma, I guess. I have seen women around you. All of your charms. All of your charms. Should I write to English next? You should try fucking off next, actually, I think. Right, guys. Are we ready to start the maths? Okay, I hope everyone's doing well. You love it when British people say ready? Why? Why is that? Your Discord was on the Ducksworth Discord. Yeah! Everyone hates maths, don't worry. Go eat pizza. Have fun. I'm having a great time, guys. I'm so ready for this. I'm so prepared. You know why I'm prepared? Because not only did I just down a monster, but I also have cider. And I guarantee you, if I could have done my GCSEs a little bit tipsy, it would have been a great time. Would have helped a hell of a lot. Ugh. Okay. I'll be doing my revision. Yeah. Don't worry. I revised on Minecraft the other day. I was adding together stacks of things, and I really struggled to do it. So you know, that's part of why I'm doing this now. It's really rough, actually. I'm quite stupid. Yeah, the chemistry jam totally fucked up. I'll copy. I'm sure you're fine. I'm sure you're chilling. I'm watching you to keep me and text my friend. Oh, well, you know, it sounds like you're multitasking to fuck right now. That's impressive, to be fair, Cookie. But I hope everyone's doing okay. I will be chatting as well. And also, okay, guys, I didn't have the diagnosis at the time, but I do have ADHD. So actually, I do deserve extra time on this. So if I go over a bit, you can't hate on me, okay? Legally, I am entitled to extra time and other accommodations as needed. So if you try and get on my dick about it, that's really not cool. 25% extra time. Yeah, is it a good sign that I don't know how to do 25% extra time of this? Wait, 90 minutes. 25% of that is going to be like 22.5 minutes extra. So, well, copy Ethan. Ethan's closer. Ethan's closer. Ethan's almost there. 25. Yeah, you're closer. You're closest. You're doing it with the dog. Oh, huge. I love that. I'm so cooked, guys. I swear to God. I'm not even doing the foundation paper. 1 hour, 30 minutes. Okay. Remember to read the instructions, everybody. If you're doing your GCSEs, read the instructions. Also, you shouldn't be here if you're doing GCSEs. You're too young. Black ink or black ballpoint pen. Yep. Oh, fuck me, diagrams. If there's diagram questions, I'm just going to not do that. I hope that's cool with you guys. Answer the questions. Do a rough work in this book. Okay, I can. I'm going to, like, sit back a bit and prop up my thing on my leg so I can actually work off of it. But I'm going to switch to this screen so you guys can see more of what's going on. Is that good? Does that look good, guys? Does that look good? Can you see? Oh, wait, you can't really see because I'm in the way. Right. I'm going to turn off chat and I'm going to move myself into the corner here. That's all right. Wait, that and then bump it up a bit. Is this okay, chat? Is that a good spot? I get 22.5 minutes extra. Yeah. When are the day normally taken? This is not before uni. This is thank you for the luck cookie. This is 16, so it's like 2 years before uni-ish. So it's kind of a fun one. It's kind of an interesting, curious little time, isn't it? Right. Are we ready, guys? Are we ready? Are we prepared? Wait, I shouldn't have been looking. Sorry, guys. I need to start the timer already, don't I? Fuck, fractions. Ah! Right. Okay, if anyone's playing along with me at home, this is GCSE Maths, Tuesday, 19th of May, 2020. I'm not disqualified. I didn't actually read it because I'm stupid. Are we all ready? Is everybody ready? Okay. I'm going to start the timer after they stop singing this song. After they hit the high notes. Oh, it's like drumming, and we are not alone. I hear the rocks and stones echoing our song. I'm coming. Damn. Okay, banger. Hi, Hannah. Okay, wait, I need to start. Yeah, we'll be grading my work afterwards, guys. Don't worry. We can all see how stupid I am. So I'm going to there's equivalent to 4.75. Okay. Well, it's over 4, so... Wait, what? 4 3/4. So 4 3/4 times 4. Wait, what? 4 3/4, what? 4 times 4 is 16. Plus 3, so 19. Right? Does that make sense? Yeah, I think so. Right? No backseating, but also, right? Not that hard, actually. I think so. Beautiful voice crack. Thank you so much. GCSE before A-levels was where universities actually used. Yeah. Vector A. Circle the column vector that represents A. Okay. So, bear in mind, guys, it has been like 5 years since I did this. So be nice, please. Please be nice. Column vector represents A. Fuck. Okay. So A is going 3 to the right, 2 down. So 3 minus 2. Thanks for the prime sub, Hannah!
Wait to see
you got rainbow lights!
3.
Is it gonna work? It works! Gay rainbow lights! Okay, it's 3 minus 2. Gay rainbow lights. Yes, big day for the gay people. You won something. Huge. I was gonna do more stuff for this, but I didn't really know what to do. So you just get rainbows. I hope you're happy. I hope you're happy now. I hope you're happy how you hurt your cause forever. I hope you've never seen a question like this in your life. Well, I'm just smarter than you, I guess. Which of one of these is a square, a number, and a cube number? What the fuck? Well, 100. No. 1,000,000? What? A cube number. It's like the cubed. Yeah. Something times something times something. So it can't be 100. 1,000? It could be. Because it's, no. 100, like 10,000. Because then it's 10 times 10 times 10. 10 times 10 is 100. Times 10 is 1,000. No. Okay. It's 1,000,000, right, then? Because 1,000 times 1,000 is... Wait, what? 100 times 100 is 10,000. Times 100 again is 1,000,000. And it's got to be a square, right? Of something. Guys, I'm lost. The fuck is... Yeah, guys, I'm lost, guys. I don't know. Guys, I don't know this one. I'm already... I want a hint? Maybe, but also, no, I don't, because I'm meant to be smart. I'm meant to have a brain, you know? And also the challenge is playing it. It's a banger. I don't know, guys. Chat, I'm lost. 10 times 10 times 10 times 1,000, and then 1,000 isn't a cube number, is it? So it can't be 100, because it's too small, right? Your brain is fried. Mine too. And we're literally 3 questions in. Bear in mind, the questions get harder as they go on, right? It's gonna get worse, guys. This is the easy part. 10 times 10 times 10 times 1,000, and then squares. The root of you also can't talk about other people while you do real shit. Yeah, no, you're right. You know what I do in these situations? I highlight it and I come back later. That's what we're gonna do, chat. Highlighting it blue, come back later. Because I'm being stupid. So I've got the reciprocal of 5 over 6, 6 over 5. I know that one. Use trigonometry to work out the size of angle X. Okay. Sokotoa! Sorry, what the fuck? Wait, I have an insert sheet that I can use. No, I don't. Be the new king, sit down at the throne, and rule with me as it... Okay, sine equals opposite over hypotenuse. Cosine equals adjacent over hypotenuse. Tan equals opposite over adjacent. So we've got X. We want opposite, adjacent, hypotenuse. So we want adjacent over hypotenuse, right? Because that's the 2 we've got. So TOA. So tan equals O over A. So tan X equals... wait, not O over A. No, fuck me, okay. We've got H and A, because I'm stupid. Yeah, guys, I'm lost. It's not like math I did when you were 16. What math did you do when you were 16? Okay, guys, I'm fucking it. I'm fucking it already. Okay, H and A. Cosine. Cos X. Wait, no, cosine of X equals adjacent over hypotenuse, right? Is that right, or is it cosine A over H equals X? How do I do a cosine? I don't have a fucking... I don't have a calculator. I can't do cosine without calculator. What the hell? I just got most of that. Oh, okay, that's fair. To myself here. Guys, am I stupid? Am I stupid and dumb? I did further maths. I did maths A level. How do I not know this? Oh my god. Okay. You know, if they told me to work out the length of that O side, I'd be bagging. Right. Cos 9 over 18. Fuck. Equals X, right? I think that's right. So then cos of 9 equals 18. That's not right. I know I fucked that already. Right? I fucked that. I fucked it bad. That can't be right. No. I was right the first time round. Okay. So cos of X equals 9 over 18. 18 cos X equals 9. Cos X equals 2. No, 18 divided by 9, half. I feel like I've not achieved anything here. Wait, cos of X is a half. That's one of the big ones. Hi, Anne. Hi. Not even close. Abyssal. I'm getting it, right? But I know that cos of X is a half. That's probably one of the ones that you remember as a GCSE thing. You've been a baby's worth? Oh my god. Now you're getting there. Yeah, but okay, 2 cos X equals 1. That's not helpful to me. So I don't want to rearrange that. You got your maths not calc paper on Thursday? Oh my god. Oh my god, that's terrifying. Oh my god, Ian, good luck. I'm confused. What? How do I do this bit, guys? I'm lost. I'm confused. I don't know what I'm doing. Run. Do you need a hint? Well, I know that this is probably one of the ones in the table, right? So maybe I do need a hint. I will take hints, but only after I've really tried, guys. Same with wait, Abyssal, what was your hint for this fucker right here? Because I don't know this one. I don't know this one at all. Real bad. Won't you send a sign? I'm running out of hope and time. A plague of mice, a lightning strike, or drop a nuclear bomb. No more playing daddies. Oh, I can do this one fine. So A is strong negative, B is no correlation. Okay, I'll do that while you guys... If you count the zeros, it's easier to figure out what squares being x, x, and q's being x, x, x. Okay, thank you. Do you need the answer to question 3? I was lost on this one. You've been doing a bicycle tour today for like 5-ish hours? Oh god, your poor ass. Okay. Right, so count the zeros. It's easy to figure out what the squares being x times x and q's being x, 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 x. Oh, so 2 zeros, it can't be that. 10 times 10 times 10. Wait, what? Oh, wait. So in that case, there's 6 zeros on a million. 6 is not a square, nor is it a cube. This is 2020. This is the one that I should have done, Ian, back when I was doing my maths, but I didn't because COVID. It's yeah, June 2020, I think. God, what the fuck? I'm gonna be honest with you, your hint did not help me at all. I fear I'm too stupid. I'll just do it blue again. And then wait, what was the hint for this guy? Is this the same but we do Excel? I did AQA. I think it was this, but I don't actually know. Sitting that straw, get lost in the... Right. You know what? I will leave you guys to hint me on that one if you want. If you don't, you don't, and I just hate you. Freeze your brain. Freeze your brain. I'm lost, chat. I'm so lost. Okay, graph A is strong negative. Okay, I can do that. I know that one. Strong negative. And no correlation for graph B. 1 million has 6 zeros. Take a number with 3 zeros, square it to 6. Take a number with 2 zeros, cube, that gives 6 zeros. Hey, man. I don't appreciate your tone, but I'm guessing the answer is 1 million. To be fair, I would have guessed that eventually just based on the fact that a cube number is big. So I was like, whoa, 1 million, whoa. Thanks, homie. I appreciate your sarcastic answer. Right, I'll highlight this boy blue because I'm halfway done with it. Shit, I erased it. Okay. Fuck. I might be dumb. Guys, I might be dumb. Here is some information about 80 people who play in bands. 12 are the singers, but not guitar players. 30%. Okay, wait, what? Complete the Venn diagram. Oh, that's chill. Okay. You don't understand shit? Copy? Neither do I, don't worry. Okay, 12 are singers, but not guitar players. So that's the group that's in here. So that's 12. 30% are neither a singer nor a guitar player. So 30% of 80. So 88. Wait, so, okay, 30% of 80. So 10% of 80 is 8 times 3, 8, 6, 24. Hi, Tuttle. How are you? 24 of them are outside. 24 are outside of the diagram. In my school career, have you seen Venn diagram? You never seen Venn diagram? What? Really? Oh, thanks, Abyssal. You're chill like that. Thanks, Abyssal. Thanks for being smarter than me. I appreciate it. A quarter of the guitar players are also singers. Okay, so the remaining group of people is guitar players only. So 24 and 12 is 36. 80 minus 36. 80 minus 36 is 50, 44. So 44, a quarter of the guitar players are also singers. So that's 11 of 44. 11 are both. So then that leaves 33 here. Right? This is a math exam for 16-year-olds. Yeah, you're right. Pub. Wait, do I need to show my working? It's a 4 marker. What the fuck? Oh, that's for the 4 piece of information. What the hell? I mean, I'm just smart, guys. Look at this maths that I'm doing. big, okay, I guess I'll write. I'm not going to show my working. Fuck you guys. I hate it. I'm already taking too long. The shorter side of the parallelogram has length 6.5 centimeters. The length of the shorter side is 1/9 of the perimeter. Okay. Well, that's already the... Oh, work out the length of the longer side. Okay, so let's say that the length is x. So so then the length of the short side is 1/9 of the perimeter. Let's say that that is A, because I feel like it, because I love stuff. 3 Guinness and a Porsche she chips in. Oh my god, that's amazing. Dry socks roll into the fucking shower. Oh, you should cry, actually. I don't know why I'm overcomplicating this, but I just feel like it, guys. Okay, so... Wait, no. Perimeter, so P equals 2x plus 6.5 times 2 is 13. 13. Lose. And also, the length along the side. Okay. The length of the short side is 1/9 of the perimeter. So then P equals 9 times 6.5, which equals 9 times 6.5. Okay. So have fun with math. I know it's rough. I'm cheating. Why am I cheating? What the hell? Turn off the music. It's for my ADHD. It helps me focus. Fuck off. It's for my wiggly brain. 9 times 6.5. Okay, 9 times 6 is 54. Half of 9 is 4.5. So 54 plus 4.5, 58.5. 58.5. So then 58.5 equals 2x plus 13. So then 58.5 minus 13 is 48.5, 45.5. 45.5 equals 2x. X equals half of that again is 22.5, 22.75. 22.75. I think that's right. 22.75 centimeters. Right? Bye, Calico. Thanks for stopping in. Much appreciated. This is rough. Yeah, I'm not sober enough in math either. I'm really sleep deprived, guys. I'm so EP. How many left? Hannah, I don't actually know. Let me check. So this is question 9 now, and there are extra working pages. There are 29 questions, so an extra 20 questions. I'm on decent pace, I think. I'm on good pace. It keeps going. I know. I just genuinely, I mean, you do have an hour and a half for this, so it kind of makes sense. All the terms of a geometric progression are positive. The second of all the terms are shown. Work out the first and third terms. What? Geometric progression. What? I know this. I know, in my head I know it, but I don't, what? I know the name, but I don't remember what it is specifically. Shit, man. Guys. Can I, wait, okay. This is the one with ends, right? So, 2n, no, that's not right. You're an idiot, that's so easy. Hannah, I don't remember geometric progressions. I'm sorry, it's been an extra year since I did my GCSEs to you. Okay, fuck off. Arithmetic progression? Fuck! As a woman, wait, is it just times 2 each time? 2, 4, 8, 16. Yeah, it is. Okay, cool. So 2 and 8. Right? Is that right? Yay! Yay! So it's just I forgot how like the formula works to figure them out, which is why I'm a bit cooked for this one. First 2 terms of arithmetic progression are shown. Sum of the 3 first terms is 90. So arithmetic progression, what are you? What times means the fourth number of the sequence? Yeah. Like 1, 2, 3, 4. That's what that is. Ignore the handwriting. Fuck off. Okay. Arithmetic progression. What? Peach fuzz and you can't even grow it. I want to take a far away from this place, then I turn to see my sister's face, and she is. And I know she... So it's not geometric again, because if it was, then it would just be 25p here. And I don't think it is. I think that would be wrong. But also that's the only thing I can think of right now. Because I'm silly like that. I'm a girl in a world in which my only job is to marry rich. My father has no son, so I'm the one. I'll come back to you later, Pookie. Don't worry, I'll be back. It's crazy how some things I instantly clock, and then some things I'm like, oh, actually, that's not. Okay, ratios. I can do ratios. That's fine. Cost of holiday is 2,400. Raina pays a deposit followed by monthly payments in the ratio. Deposit to total of the monthly payments equals 3 to 5. She makes 6 equal monthly payments. Work it out. What does arithmetic mean? Numbers. It's numbers in it. Numbers and stuff. And they go up. That's all I got, Rev. Almost? Oh, fuck. Okay, well, I guess I'll cry about it. Okay. On my sister, like I know my own mind, you will never find. Okay, so the total is going to be 2,400 by the end of it. I really thought I had this, guys. How have I lost? Please, can someone tell me how I've lost so many brain cells in the last, like, 5 years? How has my cognitive decline hit this hard? That doesn't seem chill. Can I get it back? Is it the alcohol? You don't really use this anymore? Yeah, you're right. I guess I started sending fucking... Yeah, being a streamer. You fucking press the go live button and immediately, like, half your brain just deleted to make space for bullshit. Okay, so... It's going to total out to 2,400. Who is always by your side to your union and the hope that you provide. May you always... Sorry. Micro facts for most of it? They do! I'm so good at micro facts! Oh, and musical lyrics. Right, okay. So deposit, so 3 to 5. Oh, okay, wait, that's fine, right? Okay, 2,400 is 3 to 5. 3 to 5. So 2,400 divided by 8 is going to be 300, right? 8, 16, 24. And then, so therefore 3 times 300 is 900 is the deposit. 5 times 3 is 1,500 is the monthly payments total. So then 1,500 divided by 6 equals... That's a really good question, Harrison. Let's think about that one for a second. I did something else. I don't know if it's correct though. Oh, I see. Maybe not the right question. I'm answering questions. I'm doing something, guys. I'm doing some numbers. You divide it by 6 first. Oh no, because the deposit's not in 6 payments, is it? Right? Am I stupid? Out of the sun if you keep getting burned. So 1,500 divided by 6. I can do that. I can do that. I can dig that. 6. 1,500. So that's going to be 0. 15. 6 is in 15. There's 2. Remainder is 3. So then remainder is 3. 30. 6 is in 30 is 5. Remainder 0. 250, right? £250 per payment. So the total by the ratio first, then find the monthly payment. Yeah, right? Yeah, right? Yeah. So it's £250 a month. For 6 months. Okay. Yeah. Okay, cool. Sorry, I panicked. Hi, Jill, we're doing maths. We're doing maths because I missed my GCSE maths paper because of COVID. So I'm like, let's reminisce and hate myself. 11 over 40 is 0.275. 33 over 400 is that. So the denominator has been times by 10. The top's been times by 3. Right? Because you do literally just do... That's how that works. 11 over 40 times 3 over 10 equals 33 over 400, right? It's multiplying is just direct like that. You did get the correct answer. Big day. You know the song lyrics by Through the Window line? Oh, well, it's a banger song. Hi, Ash. How are you? How are we all doing today, guys? While I'm doing my maths, please yap to me about anything and I will read it. I'm somewhat focused on this, but I'm also focused on chat. So I'm here, guys. I promise. So therefore, 0.275 times 3/10 or 0.3 is going to be the right number, right? 0.275 times 0.3 equals... That's a real good question, Harrison. How is this going to kill me, guys? How is this like the worst day for me ever? Nobody around. Do you ever really crash or even make a sound? Taking a step stuck. What does that mean? How the fuck do you calculate that? That's what I'm saying. Oh, wait. Okay, you're right. Sorry. 0.275 times 3/10 equals, times the whole thing by 10, 2.75 times 3 equals, wait, that's not right though, is it? No, I completely fucked that. No, that's not right at all, because it's got to get smaller. Right? Yeah. You got to pray. All good, all good, all good. Have a good time. No, I right. Multiply by 3, then divide by 10 or vice versa. Yeah. Yeah, I see that now. 7.5 times 3/10. Yeah, I fucked that one, I fear. Because times 3/10 is the equivalent of something. I don't know, man. Times by 3 first? Really? That's crazy. Abyssal, you need to understand how dumb I am, okay? So divide by 10, 0.0275. See, I knew in my heart that it was wrong. I just didn't know how to do it right, man. I'm struggling. I'm struggling, dude. I'm really. Oh, I'm going through it. So then times 3 right now, multiplied by 3. Yeah. So then, what the fuck? I'm just trying to tell the truth. Okay. Times 3? 275 times 3? So 5 times 3 is 15. So that's going to be... what? 2 times 2 is 3 times 1 over 10. Yeah, see that? I did further maths. I know I did further maths. I hate you, Hannah. I'm going to be so real, guys. I can't get my head around that number right there right now. So I'm just going to highlight it blue and come back to it later. That's my favorite thing to say. Crack. 2 wire shapes make an earring. The shapes are a circle with radius 21 mils and a quarter circle. Radius of circle equals radius of quarter circle is 72 mils. You took 1 mark. Okay, so this is an easy question. You're just chaining multiplications? Well, yeah, but I can't. I'm stupid. It's easy to change if you give it your attention. All you gotta do is just believe you can be who you wanna be. Sincerely me. Guys, how am I this silly? Guys, I don't get it. Get on with the maths. Fuck you, Hannah. Hate your ass. 2 wire shapes making earrings. Shapes are circle with 21 mils and a quarter circle. So that's 21 mils there. And a quarter circle separately? What the fuck? Oh, so it's just a... They're just trying to throw me off, are they? Okay, with a bunch of shit about circles. Oh, wait, no, there is more to it. Okay. 3 times 275, then put decimals back in. Bah! Yeah, 3 times 275 is so much easier, dude. Wow. 3 times 275 is going to be like 600. And also 70 times 3 is 210. So 810 and also 5. So 825. Fuck you, AQA. All my homies hate AQA. 825. So is it going to be like 0.0... Wait. 0.825? Yeah? No. Okay, cool. Oh, Hannah agrees, but Abyssal, the smart one, doesn't. Sorry, Hannah, but Abyssal is like a maths guy. Maybe, I don't know. See, you missed a decimal place? Look at the highlight part. But I don't wanna. Reinvention. It's easy to... Is that right, Abyssal? Did I do it? Did I do the maths, Abyssal? This is just Ducksworth stupid arc, isn't it? It really is. Okay, radius 21. So radius of big circle. R C. Wait, why am I going crazy with it? Just fucking put it in. 7. No, that's the wrong thing. 7 to 2 equals 21 to R. So then, well, it just is, isn't it? It just factually is. Because 7, so 7 goes times 3 to get 21. 2 times 3. 2 times 3 equals 6. Therefore, R equals 6. Because 7 over 21. Wait, no. 21 over 7 equals 3. I know it's not the right way to work it out, but, you know, fuck you guys. Guys, what the hell is maths? What is the point of this shit? I've never used this in my life. Work out the total length of the wire in the earring. What? Huh? Answer in the form A pi plus B. Oh, I don't actually... Okay, cool. That's a lot easier. Total length of the wire in the earring. Okay, so that's going to be 2 lots of the radius of the quarter circle. So... 2... Oh, okay, chill. 2 times 6 plus... I know I can write that, but shut up. If I'm about my sarcasm, I'm not terrible. Yeah, you should be a teacher, but also I hate you. Radius of big circle, 21. 2 pi r is a circle's perimeter, right? 2 pi times 21. Plus another set of a quarter of the 2 pi r of the little one. 1/4 of 2 pi times 6. You're really good. So 12. I'm just breaking it down as parts at this point. 2 pi times 21. So that's going to be 42 pi. Plus a quarter pi. So a quarter times 2 is half pi. Everyone grab a harpoon. It's not a quarter of the perimeter. Well, it's a quarter of a circle. So it's a quarter of the perimeter plus the other bits. Yeah, you are being... Yeah, fuck you, Bissell. I'm the smart one now. Dumbass. A quarter of 6 is 1.5. So then 12 plus 1.5 is 13.5. Plus 42 plus a half. 42.5 pi. So... Wait, but they have to be integers? But they have to be integers, and it's got a decimal place. Hey, guys. Do I just multiply the whole thing by 2? No, that's not how that works. Help. 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 They're not integers, are they? Where have I gone wrong here? Help. I did it. I did the maths and it was all going smoothly, and then I read where A and B are integers, and they aren't integers, guys. Those have got decimal places. Integers don't have those, I don't think. Yeah, need a heart. I'm a decker walking. I'm in your yard. I'm a decker. You change the multiply to an addition in the brackets. Fuck me, I have. Okay, thank you so much. Okay, thank you. Okay, get rid of that. And then I need to get rid of this bit here. Oh, wow. That's the sort of stupid mistake that I regularly made in the exams. Okay, so 2 times 6 is 12 pi, a quarter of 12 pi. Does that help, though? Quarter of 12 is, oh yeah, 3 pi. So therefore, it's going to be 42 plus 3 is 45. 45 pi plus 12 millimeters. Huge! Okay, next. S and T are positive integers. Oh, I can do these. Can I? X plus S, X minus T is expanded and simplified. The answer is X squared plus KX minus 40, but K is a positive integer. Work out the smallest possible value of K. You know, you know. You have dyslexia in other edition, so dyscalculia, whatever that is. That's unfortunate. I'm sorry to hear that. Have you considered getting good? Sorry, that was fucked up. I'm sorry. There's a timer thing in here. Damn, that would have been really good to know. Okay, so that works for me. Do I need to expand it out? I feel like I don't, but maybe I do. Let's try it anyway, I guess. Okay. X plus S, X minus T equals X squared plus SX plus, oh wait, no, minus TX minus ST. Yeah, dyslexia and ADHD isn't a fun combo. That is risky. Yeah, you leave your line for this, so it's not just you doing it with a delay. Yeah, that's just like a comical, like a really weird string concept is just someone else doing the maths, but like with a slight delay. Instead, I'm meant to be proving to you guys how dumb I am, basically. So, therefore, oh wait. So if I get rid of that, that equals X squared plus, oh wait, no, minus, right? No. Plus X, S minus T, minus ST. That's not a T. T, there we go. Therefore, K equals S minus T, S T equals 40, positive 40. So then, I need a number. The smallest possible value of K. Right. Ducksworth Education Edition. Guys, this is like Minecraft, but worse. This is like Minecraft, but objectively terrible. Why did I do that bit? I feel like I didn't need to do that bit. My maths teachers would be so pissed off at me right now. I'm sorry, guys. I'm really sorry. I know I had promised, but if you don't want to ask me that, okay, I will. This doesn't feel right, but also I don't know what else I would go with this. So something times something to equal 40. Factors of 40, right? Is that factors of 40? So it's 8 and 2. No, that doesn't feel right either. Maybe, well, no, it is, but maybe it's not, maybe it is. Okay, so factors of 40 is 1 and 40. 2 and 20. 8 and 5. 4 and 10. Maybe more, but frankly, I degaff. The most promising set of those is going to be 8 and 5. No, K is a positive integer. So yes, it is 8 and 5, with it being S minus T is 8 minus 5 to get 3. I think. That's vibes-based math right there. That's vibe-based maths. But it's only a 2 marker, so I can't really go too in depth. You know, that's what I'm saying. That's my logic, is if it's only 2 marks, what's the point of putting in effort? Because I'm just chill like that. Faisal tries to solve x plus 2, x minus 7 equals 0. Here's his working. Give a reason why his answer is wrong. I'm just shitting on this guy's maths. Faisal's probably smarter than me. Let's be so real here. Okay. Well, it should be minus 2 or positive 7, right? Because x plus 2 equals 0. So x equals minus 2. Yeah. X plus 2 equals 0 works to be x equals minus 2 here. forgot the negative stuff. That feels like logic to me. That feels like logic if he forgot the negative shit. What a dumbass. Okay, okay. 18C. What the fuck? Why am I working out 18 lots of this thing? What the hell? What? Huh? This is the point in the exam where I just walk out. Guys, I'm starting to think I should have done the foundation paper. I'm really starting to think I should have done the foundation paper, guys. Guys, I am. Guys, I don't know what I'm doing. It's actually really easy. What? This fucker right here. Why do you say that, Abyssal? What makes you say that this thing right here is easy? 18 lots of 2 to the power of 10 plus, times 3 times 5 to the power of 6. Give your answer as a product of prime factors in index form. So that just means I keep it like that, right? The room where it happened. No one else was in the room where it happened. 18C is 18. Guys, what's happening to me? 3, and it's just 3 lots of no. 2 times 3 times 2. 2 times 2 times 3, right? Because 2 times 2 is 4 times 3. No, that's wrong. Wait, guys. Guys, wait. As what prime numbers go into 18 and how often? What? 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 Huh? What do you mean? Thank you for the follow, Rummy64. I hope you're good at math, because I'm not. I thought maybe how many times each prime comes up? That's I'm just gonna scroll right past that one. The cubed root of 2 to the 7 times 11 to the 3 over 2. 2 times 9 equals 2 times 3 times 3 equals 2 times 3 to the power of 2. Yeah, I know that. But then how do I smush that into this thing here? Is my question. My answer is I don't. I move on to the next question. Next question, Your Honor. Next question, Your Honor. X to Y. Okay, 3x equals a half Y. Oh my god, wrong screen. Okay, so then 3x equals a half Y. 6x equals Y. So 6 to 1. No? The room where it happened. The room where it happened. No one else was in the room where it happened. Why is that one so easy? Why did they drop an easy one there? Am I wrong? I can't be right. It feels too easy, so I've got to be incorrect. That's how that works. Click, boom, then it happened. Because 6x to Y is just 6 to 1. What did they say to you to get you to sell New York City down the river? Did Washington know about the river? Was the presidential pressure to deliver? I don't, guys, I don't know what's happening to me. I've lost all my brain cells. Genuinely, this is I'm concerned about my own sanity. A sequence of numbers is formed by the iterative process. U to the n plus 1 equals 4 over um minus 1, u1 equals 9. Okay, so that's fine. I can do that one because u1 is 9. So u2 equals 4 over 9 minus 1 equals where it happens. 4 over 8 equals 1 over 2, right? Yeah. Half. Or I'll do 0.5, I guess. They don't specify, and I prefer that. And then u3 equals, now I use that one. So 4 over 0.5 minus 1 equals 4 over minus 0.5. So it's minus 4 over a half. So then I feel like I fucked this somehow. But I'm just going to say that you multiply the whole thing by 2. Minus 8 over 2. Equals minus 4. Whoa! That feels incorrect, but I'm going to do it anyway. Hi, Joe! Hi, Joe, hi! 0.5 times 2 equals 1 and not 2. What? Hi, V! Guys, yeah, genuinely, Joe, I'm concerned about how little of this I've retained. 0.5 times 2 equals 1 and not 2. Where did I do that wrong? Where did I get that wrong? What do you mean? Hi, Kate. Hi. Hi, Kate. Hi. Yeah, I'm having flashbacks doing it. It's actually quite concerning. Genuinely, seeing the amount of brain that I've lost. I was good at maths. I did further maths GCSE. I got an 8 in that. I got a 9 in maths GCSE. I got B in maths A level. And now I can't fucking do that. 4 over minus 0.5 equals 8 over minus 2 equals wrong. Is wrong. Oh, right. No, you're so right, actually. Sorry, I'm stupid and dumb and gay. Thank you so much, Abyssal. You're my goat. 8 over 1, which is just minus 8. God, I'm really bad at catching those silly mistakes. I just decide something's right, and I'm like, that feels like vibes, you know? How are you guys doing? Joe, V, Kate, how are you doing? I work out a formula for H in terms of N. Okay. The impact of plant of height 20 centimeters. The graph shows the height of the plant changes during the next 4 days. Okay. So at N0, N equals 0, H equals 20, N equals 4, H equals, let's just read this real quick, 31 to 32. Okay, so then, oh, but that's just like a linear growth. So then H equals, I'll turn on you just like the wind. You're the saint. Yeah, it's tough, man. I don't enjoy this. I don't miss this. A star in maths GCSE and then A in A level, but it's almost all gone. No, genuinely. Like, where did it? It just fell out. It fell out and made room for Hades Town lyrics. Clearly. To lay it down when you're hungry and there ain't enough to go around. Ain't no length to which a girl won't go. Right. Okay. Wait. I want to do a little bit more breaking down of this. Okay. So ignoring the height that it's at at 0, so the difference between that and 4. Fish! Hi Jill, thank you for the fish. Hi Stevie, hi Stevie, hi Stevie, hi Stevie, hi Stevie. Star Trek, Grey's Anatomy, Doctor Who, that's kind of based. Okay, so then 32 to 20, that's a difference of 12. So 4n equals 12. Each day gives it 3 centimeters, right? So therefore, H equals 3n plus 12, 20. So then if I just plug that back into, let's say, day 2, 3 times 2 is 3 times 2 is 12. No, 3 times 2, oh my god. 3 times 2 is 6 plus 20, so that's 26. That's right. Okay, cool. 20 centimeters. OMG, realistic height. I'm literally so tiny. H equals 3n plus 20. Big day for me. Huge day. Huge big day. Huge massive day. Solve the simultaneous equations. I remember somewhat how to do these. 1, 2, right? Wait, no, you got to rearrange them to be the same place. 2x equals, wait, no. Plus 4y equals minus 9. 1. Minus 4x plus 2y equals minus 7. Wait, no, I'm not going to do it that way around. I'm going to do it the other way around. I punched the wall and cried. Bam, bam, bam. I know there's 2 ways, but I'm just cool. I'm just chilling awesome. What can I say? So it's actually going to be minus 7. Keep that here. Wait, no, let's set plus 7. Add 7 to both sides, subtract 2. So 4x minus 2y. That's going to be number 2. So then... Okay, this is as far as I remember. Rewriting it and writing the numbers next to it, and I feel like it's like 1 minus 2. Because I need to get rid of one of them, right? Boom, boom, boom. Wait, no, it's going to be... It's gonna... How are you, Stevie? How are you? To you, your society churns out slaves and blanks. No thanks. Sign the students of Westerberg High. Goodbye. We'll watch the smoke pour out the doors. Bring marshmallows, we'll make s'mores. We can smile and cuddle while the fire roars. Okay, so I'm going to do like 1 times 2. 4x plus 8y equals minus 18. And then I'm going to do subtract 2 from that. Minus 2. So it's going to be 4x minus 4x is 0. Minus 2y. Wait. 8y minus 2y is going to be 10y equals minus 18 minus 7 is... The fish is back on. Yes! We can fish. Big day. Minus 18 minus 7. 2 down. Okay, minus 25. So then y equals minus 2.5. Sub in 1. 2x plus 4 lots of minus 2.5 equals minus 9. 2x minus 10 equals minus 9. 2x equals 1. X equals 0.5. So then I'll check it in 2, I guess. Check in 2. 4 lots of 0.5 minus 2 lots of minus 2.5 equals 4. So that's 2 minus or plus 2 lots of minus 2.5 is going to be positive 5, which is 7. Yes! Yes! Guys, I did maths. I'm actually so intelligent. Genuinely, big top 10 smartest men. And then minus 2.5. Abyssal, if you tell me I'm stupid, I'll kill myself. In the game. Genuinely, that felt like a fever dream. That felt like I was having a flashback the whole way through. It was like my brain switched off. Okay, question 19. There was 26, right? Okay, we're somewhat on pace. I'm a little bit behind than what I'd like to be, but still. Considering there's questions at the end, at the beginning that I kind of skipped over because I was too stupid to answer them. Okay. Circle the expression that is the equivalent to x over 5 plus x over 10. 2x over 10 equals... 2x over 10 plus x over 10 is going to be 3x over 10. Right? Yeah. That feels right. That verification was cursed but valid. What do you mean? I just wanted to check. What's cursed about that? I'm so smart. The hit AA game, GCSEs. Yeah, this is my favorite video game, guys. Write down the value of 7 to the power of 0, 1. Is that the whole question? Okay. Work out the value of 3 to 32 to the minus 3 over 5. Now, this is the bit where I forgot how to do that. What did I miss? Virginia, my home, sweet home, I want to give you a kiss. Mwah. I've been in Paris meeting lots of different ladies. I guess I basically missed the late 80s. I traveled the wide, wide world and came back to... Well, I use my rearranged version, which is fine because it's just rearranged, right? On my desk from the president, I haven't even put my bag down yet. Sally, be your lamb, darling, won't you open it? It says the president's assembling a cabinet and that I am to be the Secretary of State, great, and that I'm already Senate approved. I just got home and now I'm headed up to New York. Headed to New York, Looking at the rolling fields, I can't believe that we are free. 32 to the minus 3 over 5. But who's waiting for me when I step in the place? My friend James Madison, red in the face. She grabs my arm and I respond, what's going on? Thomas, we are engaged in a battle for our nation's very soul. Can you get us out of the mess? That's equivalent to 32. Wait. I've been fighting for the South alone. Where have you been? Okay, so I have a method in mind for this, but I don't think it's right. On one hand, I kind of want to turn minus 3/5 into minus 3 times divided by 5. But that doesn't feel right, so I'm going to not do that. I know it's factually right, but I don't like it. Alternatively, I want to do that is equivalent to the 5th root of 32 to the minus 3, which I also know isn't right. I'm like 99% sure that's incorrect. So I'm just not going to do it yet. I'll check. I'll get Abyssal to check that later. When he's back from being AFK. Numbers in order of size. Oh, fuck me, man. Guys, I might be cooked. I might be cooked. I need to convert all these things. 15.6 is 15.6. Huge. 323 to the power of a third, right? Yeah, oh, you're back? Okay, Abyssal. Is that logic right that I just used there? I don't think it is. I really don't think it is. It is? What the fuck? I did something. Guys, oh my god, I'm huge. I don't know if it helps me at all. I don't think it does. 32 to the minus 3 is going to be... so to the minus 1 is the reciprocal, so it's 1 over the number. So it's going to be the 5th root of 3 over... Yeah. Next exponents can't be used in square roots. Anything bigger than 2, I believe, can have negatives and negative. You want the minus 3 as a power outside the 5th root. I've lost it. I give up. And I'm going to be honest, this one, it's not looking too promising either, guys. Of men who call me small, they keep... There's a 3 in front of it. Fuck that. I'm out. I'm out of here. Don't go back. Oh, but I don't want to. I don't want to. Abyssal, I really don't want to. Abyssal, please don't make me. Please. Please, Abyssal, please. Oh, wait. It had it right. What? But I disagree. I disagree. I think I'm wrong. Me personally, I think I fucked it. Give me sirens and a cyclops. Give me giants and a hydra. Because, you know, like, oh, I can do laser pointer. Ooh. Ooh, lasers. Ooh. Ooh. I trust Abyssal too, but 1 over 32 to the power of 3 inside the 5th root. Okay, so then 1 over 32 to the 3. So then that is equal to 1 over 32 to the power of 3 times a 5th? Maybe? Don't you dare call my mother a tramp. Wait, I just feel like I overcomplicated the step of literally just going, okay, that's the reciprocal now. So I'm just going to skip that middle step, I guess. So 32 to the minus 3/5 equals 1 over 32 to the power of 3/5 regularly. Work out the 5th root of 32, then keep that. So that equals... What? 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 Huh? What? I hate having smart people in my chat. I hate it. I hate it. You guys can fuck off. Y is directly proportional to x cubed. Y equals 17 when x equals 4. Work out a question connecting x and y. Y and x. Duck, find x for x to the 5 equals 32. No, I don't want to. I don't feel like it. I don't feel like it, Abyssal, because my mind is boggled at that thought. Genuinely, I'm perplexed by that idea. Oh, what are two parts of fraction called in English? Denominator and numerator and denominator. Yeah, that. Teller and Noma. Hell yeah, that's kind of based. Y is really proportional to x cubed. Y equals 17 when x equals 4. Okay. I forget what the proportional signs are, to be honest, but I get the vibes. Wait, so AY equals B x cubed, right? So if you let Y equals 17 and x equals 4. Is that right? Does that feel right? I don't think it's right. I don't think it's just A and B. I think it should just be A on both of them, right? No, that is right. No, I skip. M is inversely proportional to the root of R. A rise multiplied by 4. So what happens to the value of M? This should be really easy. Times 16? Don't know where I got that from. No idea. By 4 forever. No. Divided by 2? This way. All we see is light for forever. 'Cause the sun shines bright for... Oh, fuck me. Proving shapes. Okay. Prove that ABCD is not a cyclic quadrilateral. What the fuck is a cyclic quadrilateral? Moving on. Why is it an obtuse angle? Which statement is true? A histogram proofs. Fuck yeah, no, I hate that shit. Secret, I like your funny words, Magic Man. Yeah, genuinely, I don't think that's real maths. I don't think it's real. I think that's fake. Do you want to understand the heights of a sample of women? 3 of the 4 bars are shown. The bar for 170 centimeters height, 180 centimeters is missing. 74 women in the sample. Okay, I can do that. I can dig that. So this one is 10 people's worth. Because it's 2 times the 5. That one, because it's the area, right? So then 3 times the 10 is going to be 30 people in here. 5 times 4 is going to be 20 people in here. So the total that's been used up so far. AQA is lying to us? Yeah, they're fucking liars. I hate them. 74 women in the sample. So we've used up 60 of them. So there's 14 of them left. And we need to fill in 170 to 180. That's 10. So 14 of them. So we need it to go up to 1.4. Which is like that one here. 1.2, 1.4. All right, let's go to that, right? I would shade it in, but I can't be asked. But you get the vibe. If the corners sit on a circle. Oh. Okay, that does make sense. I personally don't feel like doing that right now. Like, don't get me wrong. I would hate every second of it, but I'm bad vibes. This one. Sure, fuck it, we ball. I did it. Did it. And then point them to it because they're stupid and they can't find it. Draw normal circles all 4 corners are on the sign. Unlike, I don't want to. I don't feel like it. 14 over root 7 could be written in the form a root b, where a and b are integers. Well, what? So 14 over root 7 equals 14 times 1 over root 7 equals 1 over 14 times root 7. No. No. So, what? I don't know, dude. I genuinely could not tell you. Like, I'm not going to lie. I'm just making shit up at this point. I'm just putting numbers on the page and hoping for the best, and it's not working. 2 root 10 times root 80 times root 18. Give your answer as an integer. I don't want to. I don't feel like it. I can tell you making things up. No, you can't. Fuck off. A and B are similar solid cylinders. Genuinely, guys. 16-year-old me, fucking genius at this rate. My God. 16-year-old me, massive, humongous brain. I don't know how he did it. I don't know how he managed it. Genuinely. I don't know what happened between then and now. Autism, maybe? Just clocked in. Just suddenly went crazy. And it was like, oh, buddy. Oh, buddy, oh, pal. Oh, shit. Oh, fuck. Factorize fully 144 minus 4x squared. I might be going brain dead, actually. Guys, I might be losing my mind, actually. It's been quite funny, but also very upsetting. That was kind of the idea. Yeah, I guess that's kind of the point. Banger. Sorry, I was a bit depressing for a bit there. Similar. I know that's a maths word, but I've definitely lost brain cells watching. Well, hopefully you'll be down at my point soon enough. Oh my God, I've got 25 minutes left. This is the point in the exam where right now I would be just sat there crying. If I'd have struggled this much in GCSE maths when I actually did it, I would have just been sat there sobbing in the test hall. I'm gonna be so honest. Like I'm so happy with myself that I wasn't stupid at the time, because that would have really sucked for me, in like a really rough way. You know, that's kind of huge. That one. Why do you assume you're the smartest in the room? The graph of y equals x cubed plus 6 is translated 4 units to the right. The translated graph has equation y equals f of x. Work out f of x. Non-stop. Give your answer in the form x cubed plus ax squared plus bx plus c. What? I know what that means, but why? My brain did not go to that place when you said about it. Y equals f of x. Work out f of x. Hamilton at the Constitutional Convention. I mean, this is the last question in the exam, to be fair. Guys, can I give up? Am I allowed to just bail on this? Am I allowed to give up an end stream? Is that cool? Guys, is that okay? Guys, I'm so lost, guys. Guys, can we just call it a fail and move on? Can we just say, well, you failed? Thank fuck for COVID, otherwise I would have been flunking that GCSE test. My God. Is differentiation? Where? I know differentiation vaguely, and I don't see it. No, I can't use a calculator. Also, I don't have like a maths one, other than Google, and I don't really feel like pulling out Google for this shit. So translating a graph 4 units to the right is the same as adding. Oh no, subtract. So for it to go from here to here, you're adding 4 to the x, right? So y equals f of x, translate to the right. You want to do x minus 4, because then it goes, what? The minimum of the graph has moved from 0.6 to 4.6. You differentiate to find 0. Differential shows the gradient at that spot. Thanks for the follow, lots of loops. I'm losing my mind. Thanks for joining in as I look at maths. How do you feel about mathematics? Granny Zero, that's the maximum minute for a keep it like this. Yeah, see, so, okay, here's my issue, right? You're so cool, you're my new favorite. Wow. You've got low standards. Thank you so much. See, my issue here, right? My issue here, Abyssal. I know these words that you're saying to me. They trigger memories. They make me think of things. However, I don't know what those things mean. I'm sat here like, yeah, yeah, okay, right, differentiate, find the gradient, and then, whoop. And that's as far as I go. That's all I got in my head. Not got anything else going on up here, to be honest. If I'm totally honest, actually, I don't know what's happening, guys. I don't know what's going on, guys. Abyssal, I think I need to just cry. I think I need to just burst into tears at this point. What GCSE did you choose? It was 5 years ago, so I did like maths and shit. I don't really remember half of them, to be honest. This is from when I would have been doing my GCSEs though. And yeah, so this is that I didn't do it because of COVID, so this is like me failing what I would have originally done. But I was smart then, it's fine. Yeah, I think you are overthinking that because I don't think they did differentiation in core maths. GCSE, that was a further math thing. How do you ride like tomorrow won't arrive? How do you ride like... I did it. Abyssal. Abyssal, did I do it right? Abyssal, did I do it right, Abyssal? I did it, right? Right, Abyssal? Did I? Full marks. Thanks, Ethan. Wow. See, I knew that would work. I knew that you'd get it and you'd be like, this guy, he's smart as hell. I am going to do that. So basically, right, I think I give up. I think I'm bailing on this exam. I think genuinely I would walk out of the exam hall and cry at this point. Yeah, Hannah, I've lost my mind. Genuinely, Abyssal's saying all these words, right? And I recognize them like memory-wise. I'm like, yeah, I know what the concepts you're talking about factually are. And then I try and get my head around the process of it, and it just... You know, it's just like... I've skipped so many questions, Hannah, because I look at them and I'm like, I don't like that. I did this one, to be fair. Histograms are chill. How many you answered? Like, I don't know. Some of them. This many. I did a decent chunk. You know, I've not done terribly, I don't think. If it's y equals x to 3 plus 10, I will fight AQA. I've answered like a lot of them. It's just like the end ones where it gets more complicated. And a couple of the early ones where I just didn't remember the process. But Hannah helped me. Hannah, I'm losing my will to live, Hannah. This is my new favorite streamer. That's crazy. You need to get better taste in streamers. Guys, genuinely, I've broken you. Have I ruined your brain? Have you descended to my level? I'm so glad to hear it. That's amazing. That's amazing news. I used to do maths in my degree and I can't do simple shit anymore. Oh, that's rough, dude. Will such your crimes will not go unpunished? Well, Will can get a grip. He can say it himself. Okay, Will. You know what, Will? Say it yourself, mate. Don't use Hannah as your mouthpiece. Fuck you. I'm sorry, Abyssal, but realistically, bro, shush, you have such a good vibe. I'm just losing my mind. If that's the vibe you enjoy, then I'm so glad you're here. You can watch me genuinely have a breakdown every stream. It's great, isn't it? It's really awesome. A dynamical system exam in like 18 days. Dude, there's no way that's harder than this. There's no way that dynamical system degree exam is harder than maths AQA GCSE. That question looks easy. Factorize fully, 144 minus 4x. It probably is. You're right. I still hate it though. So I'm choosing not to do it. Gladly, I can't lie. Hey, perfect. I'm going to be crashing out every stream. You're going to love it. I'm losing my mind, chat. I'm genuinely, I've lost all of my brain cells. I don't know where they went. I've not even, I need alcohol right now. I need it. This is probably the problem, isn't it? I just like, I just love cider. Oh. Crash out of the century. I'm going to get off this. I'm going to get off this fucking stream. This nightmare stream. And I'm going to play Minecraft. And that's my plan for the night. Maybe even make a dinner. Fuck it. Who knows? You're defo failing your GCSEs? Don't do that. See, the thing is, now I'm studying social media, so I don't need to know maths. So that's why I am brain dead. However, at the time, I was quite smart. So, you know, big brain Ducksworth over here. Kind of come in clutch. Be free, fly, duck, fly. Oh, Ethan. Oh, I'm losing it. I might need to. I'm crashing out. The extra time. I'm not even gonna use the fucking 25 minutes extra time. This is. You drank more than you thought last week. Oh, that's huge. That's amazing, man. You know what? Nothing wrong with that. I respect your choices. Tell you what I'm gonna do, guys. Tell you what, I'm gonna give up. I'm gonna give up. I'm gonna fail. And I'm gonna cry about it. Finish the exam. I've done all I can do. That's the best of my abilities. I'm sorry, everybody. I've lost my mind. Art, film, technology, and history. That's some pretty base choices, to be fair. I respect your decisions. You know, that's kind of chill and stuff. Oh my god, genuinely, guys. Guys. I've lost it. Okay. What do I do now? Do I just go to bed? Do I just go to bed, guys? Do I just crash out? Do I just crash out for the night? Is this it? Is this my life now? I can't even do one fucking paper. I should have done foundation, man. You have to check what you've done? Oh, don't make me do it, please. Please don't. Please don't make me fucking check my working. Okay, fine. I'll check the working that I've done. See how shit I did. Work out your grade. It's gonna be like a C at most. Created, yeah. I'm a dead girl walking. Died for me. I'm a dead girl walking. Okay, let me get rid of that. And then get rid of that. You think it's a pass, Duck? Fuck you, man. Walking. Whoa. Whoa. Okay. Okay, I've got the mark scheme up. I've got the mark scheme up, guys. I've got the mark scheme up. This is a big day. Who's ready to mark my working? I'm gonna unlock. Oh god. Oh yeah. I've given up. GCSE maths. Yeah. I've crashed out. Genuinely, I've not answered half the questions, and I feel awful. I've given up. I've got a cider, and I'm marking my work. Grilled, I've crashed out. Welcome back. Welcome back. And that's awesome. You can't bring me back. I'm sorry. I just felt like it. Okay. I'm just gonna mark it off the mark scheme on the page. I don't really want to have to put another thing on the screen, but I'll like make this slightly bigger. This is higher tier. It's on a mock exam, and now we're making it as a chat. Yeah, Heather's is goated. You're right. What's up? What's up? What's up? What's up? What's up? Okay, first question here. I got right. I did it, guys. I did it. What year is this? This is 2020. This is the one that I should have done. Were it not for coronavirus. Let me zoom in a bit so you can actually see a bit more detail. Is that good enough size, guys? Is that a good enough size to watch me crash out while I do this? I hope so. AQA 2020. What's on your chair? Pride flag, but it's got gay people on it. Because, you know, awesome and based. Search up AQA great boundaries. I'm still marking, man. Here's vector A. Okay. 3 minus 2. I got this one right. We're off to a great start for the multiple choice question. I did get predicted grades, yeah. Next question. 1 million. Thanks, Abyssal, for that one, homie. You're a real one for that. I love not having to think for myself. Go, Westerberg. Give a great big yeah. 6/5. I'm so fucking smart. That's 4 marks already, dude. Paper 2 or 4? It's the non-calculator, yeah. Okay. Cos and 9/18. Oh, yeah, identified. And the answer is... Allegedly, the answer is 60. That's because... Okay, so I got 1 mark for that. I get 1 mark for identifying... It's a pride flag. Look, Loops. It's a pride flag with a load of gay people on it. My flatmate's got it for me. So I got 1 mark for identifying that that's right, but the answer is 60 degrees. Allegedly. I think it's just one of the ones that you just are meant to know. Cos of half equals... No, it's 60. Yeah, exactly. I didn't know that. Because I'm stupid. Because I forgot. Strong negative and no correlation. So I got these 2 correct. Huge day for me. I love multiple choice questions, clearly. Maybe I am stupid. Okay. So it needs to look... Be nice. It might be nice. This one is a mark the Venn diagram only. So 12, 11, 33, 24. 4 marks, baby. I'm literally goated. Am I from Brighton? No, I'm not from Brighton. I'm from like Essex and I live in London for university. So I'm not a Brighton girly, I'm afraid. Although I do enjoy Brighton. It's quite base. Someone get me away from vectors and Venn diagrams. Genuinely, vectors and Venn diagrams are so easy to me. I don't know why. They just make sense. Oh, yes, the parallelogram. I remember you. Which of these methods did I use? I made it algebra, and on here you don't need to. 22.8 or 23 or 22.75. Okay. I got the answer, right? I'm based this out. Is Greel's a speedrun crashing out over a 16-year-old's paper? Yeah, no, this guy is having a rough time right now, isn't he? Jesus. You're promoting. Okay, generally I got the right vibes. I just did it with algebra instead of fractions. So, yeah, division may be implied. It says in the comments, guys. I thought this shit was hard. Yeah, me too, man. Yippee! Okay. So, 9A. First time 2 and second time 8. Oh, that's the whole thing. I don't even need to show working. Huge. Paper APs. What is that? What are APs? Okay, so I just didn't bother with this one. I gave up. So that's nothing. That's no marks because I'm stupid. Allegedly, and I don't know if I believe them. The answer is that's a lot of words, guys. 9p. Jefferson or bird. Choose. Ow. Okay. Did I get this one right? Please don't fuck me here. 250. I'm the GOAT. I'm the GOAT of mathematics. I'm literally God. I'm so fucking smart. Oh my God. And I did all the working right, I think. Looked for a question you had to test. Added them all up. Thought the number looked big for the question removed. One number, got it correct. You just got rid of one. You were like, yeah, this is right. Oh, advanced placement. Okay, I see. So that's like stupid. That's like stupid and dumb, I think. Hamilton's on your side. Okay, this thing is a decimal. You won in a landslide. Congrats on a race well run. I kind of did it. Thanks, Abyssal. Physics papers? Oh, I enjoyed the physics papers. Those were chill. They were fun because they gave you like different problems and stuff. It was chill and stuff. 12A. Yeah, okay, I did working. That's kind of what you need to do for that one. It's just proving something. You show them an A-level further maths paper? Oh, what? To show them that it's hard? Or just to show them the chaos? Yeah, I know. We can go on an A-level further maths paper in a sec. I didn't do A-level further maths. I only did A-level maths. I did GCSE further maths, but not A-level maths. You convinced the teacher to give you half marks on a question. It was so funny. Oh, that's kind of base of you, actually. Well, you got the question right. Why didn't they give you 4 marks? What the hell? Okay, this one I did actually do. Your only way home. Deep down. I got this one right. And the marking, there's working there. I don't think I would have got full marks for it on working, but I'm not a teacher, so I can't say. You hide a reason for shame. Deep down, you know that... I got the question right. I got it right, chat. I got it right. I'm so fucking smart. I'm literally the GOAT. Okay, it's just for correct factorization, so that's fine. I did that. breaking the bonds that you've made. The answer for this one is just valid answer. Well, fuck, yeah. All right, mate. Calculations bullshit. Oh, okay, that makes sense, yeah. God, I'm so valid. Oh yeah, I just bailed on this one. Didn't feel like it. Okay, so that's niche. Oh, that's what the hell just happened? What the hell just happened? What the hell just happened? Any Remember Monday fans in the chat? Sorry, that was rough, man. Aragon Telly's pissed off right now, dude. Okay, I also bailed on that one. Huge news. Okay, 15. I did 15. 3 Remember Monday fans in the world, and it's the 3 members, and the crowd goes silent. The crowd fucking hated every second of it. So I got this one wrong. It's actually 1 to 6. Crazy that. Anyway, 0.5 and 8 and -8. Huge. I'm smart as heck. We both do what it takes to survive. Give up your lover and fame. 3M plus 20. I'm literally intelligent. I'm literally so smart. Oh my god. Look at my brain. Look how humongous it is. Blood where you gave. We both do what it takes to survive. I did this right, I think. We are the same, you and I. Did I do this right? Why does it just tell you the answer? Why was -2? Okay, I did do it right. Huge. That was the last question too? Yeah, okay, if I have to. If I must. Okay. I don't need more 18, please. 3x over 10. I'm so smart. 1. I'm so smart. Wow. Look at me. Literally humongous brain over here. Massive noggin, even. I skipped this one because I'm stupid. One's about the guys. Which ones? Hades and Persephone. 7 to 0 was a question. Yeah, it's probably just a test that you're not like overthinking it too much. And you're just like, yeah, I recognize maths. I just failed on that one. Okay, cool. I bailed on that one. Awesome. Can I get like a mark for writing ay equals bx cubed? No, you don't get, actually. That's okay. I guess divided by 2 and I was correct. Literally genius over here. Bad vibes. Is that a valid answer for question 23? 5th root the denominator and the cubit? Fuck off, mate. If x to 0, whatever to 0 is a question of special. They always do like a little like common sense one. Just chuck it in there midway through to throw you off. Okay, 23. Is bad vibes a valid answer? No. No, it is not. Okay. I just didn't want to. Girl, I was already crashing out. Wait, no, that's not right. I was already crashing out by the end of this thing, so I didn't know what to do. Okay, and it's not just a quadrilateral. You need to prove that ABCD is not a cyclic quadrilateral. Okay, Grilled, fuck you. Exactly. Abyssal, get on his ass for me. Thank you. 24. That's a lot of information for 24. Quadrilateral and circle. Fuck, man. He knew it. Okay, so I got this one wrong. It was multiple choice, and I just guessed it. That one. Did I do that one right? Please, don't fuck me here. Please. Wait, 26. What the hell? 170.75 with a height of 2.8. So, life update, everybody. I did actually fuck this one up. Of the seed. Wait, no, I didn't. I didn't fuck it up. No, I didn't. I got it right. Yes. I did 1.4, but I was right. For some reason, in the additional guidance, they'll give you marks for doubling or for halving the width of it. I guess because you got the area right. Because you half it and then you got to 2.8. Opposite angles add up to 180. Oh, fuck you, Grilled. I hate your ass. Congrats on doing a math exam for high schoolers in high school. Girl, when I was in high school, I was banging this shit out like there was no tomorrow. I was goated. And then I aged. No. No. I was mid crash out on this one, so no and no. I wrote come. I wonder if that will be the answer. So I wrote come. The actual answer was... You wanted to see this, didn't you? I'll display left. Okay. This is the actual answer of 29 for you, Abyssal. I could stay with you. Best answer. Thank you, guys. I don't think it... it doesn't say come in here, so I don't think it... I don't think it does. It's a bit rough, to be honest. I'm quite upset about it. Best answer. You guys get it. So so that's the answer to that one, apparently. Is for you. Yeah, it's true. I'll never be a lover you. I don't know. Abyssal, I don't really know if you're seeing this, but especially was come give yourself 2 marks. Yes! Huge day for me. I think about Minima then, just fucked up because I caught your crash out. Yeah, you caught... my crash outs are contagious, aren't they? God, that was a nightmare. Okay. So let's count other marks, gang. Oh. Counting up marks time. I loved it whenever teachers would fuck up this part, the counting up the numbers. I'm like, dude, you can do all that, but you can't count. Okay, sure. Right. 1, 2, 3. Wait, I fucked it. You're complaining about it. 1. I'm gonna mark them so I can see that I've done it. So I'm gonna do highlighted. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Okay, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42. That's the timer going off, I think. Stop it. What was I at? 42. 42. 43, 44, 45, 46. 46. 46. It's out of... Here we go. 46. That's not a pen. Okay. 46. Out of what? Out of 80. That's not my story. 'Cause there's more remember that I was a writer. I wrote songs and meditations. Hi, Fierce Owl. I was just doing, and we've just finished marking, I was doing a GCSE maths paper for the year that I would have done GCSE maths had it not been COVID. But I'm doing it 5 years late. So I've lost all the knowledge of it, so... I'm fixed as 1 of 6, but welcome in, I hope you're well. So we're just checking the grade boundaries now, seeing how stupid I am. I disappear. That's a 4. I don't know what that means. Okay. GCSE Maths AQA 2020 grade boundaries. A raw mark grade boundary archive. I think that's a different flavor, right? Summer 2020 exams. Grade boundaries weren't published for 2020 exams as exams didn't take place. Yeah. That's the issue, is that they didn't happen. Because COVID. So should I go for the year before or the year after? Can I have a little help with a math problem? Year 18. I mean, I'm really stupid, so I wouldn't recommend asking me. But Abyssal Smart 2021 grade boundaries. Okay, okay. June 2021 exams. History. That is true. Many times I've been told I don't know too enough. Okay, GCSE English Language and Maths for November 2020, which is I think what this is. I got a 3. Well, like a UK 3. Your love, no, no, I don't need your love. Apparently, according to this one, subject grade boundaries AQA 2020 November. Allegedly, I got 39 is a 4, 67 is a 5. That's a really wide grade boundary. That's a really wide fucking boundary. What the hell? Wait, pause. That's out of 240. You don't need your love. Okay, never mind. Looking back. Wait, no, I'm looking at the individual sections now. So from one component, so GCSE. Is this GCSE? Yeah, GCSE Maths Higher Paper 1. Let's say this is Paper 1. It's out of 80. Perfect. 39 is a 7. 39 is a 7. 51 is an 8. I got a 7. I got a 7. What do you mean I got a 3, Abyssal? Fuck you. I can't do the specific paper I'm on because they didn't happen. They published the exams, but there was no exams because COVID, so they didn't release grade boundaries. This is the closest thing I can get, I think. And allegedly, you did raw numbers? What do you... Well, I'm on the component grade boundaries. And it says... I'll show you my screen. Look here. So they're all about the same. 39, 42, 43 for a 7 on GCSE, Maths Higher... See? Paper 1. Well, they're all the same range. I'd get a 7 in all of those. Guys, I might be really smart. Big day. I know I got a 9 in actual GCSE, but I'm so fucking smart. God, I'm intelligent. Oh my God. Don't even come at me, guys. I'm a genius. I'm a genius. I crashed out the entire exam, and I'm a genius. Please don't... Abyssal, please don't ruin this for me, Abyssal. Abyssal, I'm begging you. Abyssal, don't ruin this for me, please. Abyssal, if you fuck this up for me, I will cry. Those are the individual marks per paper. Yeah, and I did one paper. Are you expecting me to do papers 2 and 3? Huh? I'm starting to think maybe you guys aren't very good at maths either. Make it soon. Make it better. Though better never last. Some cases 3 A marks would add to a C in CIE standards. What the fuck are you talking about? What do you mean? Grilled, what the fuck is CIE? You're just like saying words, I think. Oh, look at EdXL GCSE Maths for June 2017. But why? That's not what I just did just now. Even as I can't stop remembering how. Oh, that's GCSE you did? Oh, we're just doing fucking GCSE exam reviews right now? Okay. GCSE EdXL Maths. Something I never got. Oh, Maths Genie. My go. I love Maths Genie. Wait, what's happening? So with flower on my head. EdXL. You did IGCSE? Isn't it GCSE season right now anyway? I think it's around there, yeah. Okay. 20 GCSE Maths for June 2017. Okay. Sugar, butter, flour, don't let me down. Let's see the next amazing thing baking does now. Didn't do it. Oh, sorry. I just clicked on the first one I saw. Oh, I just... So I closed it, is what just happened there. So, I just closed that just now, actually. If you didn't notice, I just closed that shit. So essentially what just happened there was I closed it. And frankly, I don't care enough to open it back up again. Hate to be that guy and stuff, but my iPad's running out of battery. So I want to get that on charge. Unplug. We didn't crash! Big day! Sorry. That was a lot, I realized. Guys, that might have been the worst stream. Oh, that was worse than being straight. That was worse than being straight for 2 hours, guys. Genuinely. Being straight I can take. That's like emotional labor. This, mental capacity, gone. You saw Heimler a shit ton of on your For You pages this month? Oh, maybe. Mayhaps. You couldn't find the way. Guys, that was really... Oh no, I've crashed! No, come back. Webcam. We're back! Hi. Every time, man. God fucking damn it. Million worlds apart. Hey Hannah, you won a second time. That's not meant to happen. If I'm honest. So you don't actually get that. Sorry, mate. Sorry, I hate to break it to you, but that's actually not true. Also, thanks for your weird little USB to HDMI thingy that you lended me. That's very kind. Yeah, no, straight up. Honestly, that guy right there gets it. Oh, guys, what the fuck with this stream? It's 10 p.m. I can end now. Oh my god, I can be free. Wondered how you learned to dance like Waller. Found out one of your papers was actually a bitch. It was 40 mugs across each paper to pass. Oh, heavens! Doesn't Heimler teach AP Hug and AP Ush? What? What? 40 mugs each paper out of 80. Oh. Oh, okay. That's kind of wild and stuff, actually. Now that I think about it, that's kind of cray-cray. Right. I hate to be the guy that does a math paper and ends stream, but I am so tired. I'm so incredibly sleepy, and realistically, I'm gonna play Minecraft for a bit, but I need to perish. So if it's cool with you guys, I hope you all enjoyed watching me fucking suffer for the last however long that was, 2 hours. God, you can't end. But what if I do though? What if I do? What if I do that? It's like I don't know anything. We want a boat SMP? Right. Abyssal. That is... I'm afraid you're a bit late to the party on that one. I hate to bring you terrible news on this terrible day. It's gone. There is no more abode SMP. I'm sorry, Abyssal. I'm sorry. I hate to be that guy to crush your hopes and dreams like that, but it's not real. Oh my god, my PC's dying. My PC's actually dying. I was just trying to look for someone to raid and my PC's exploded. Chat help. There we go. What is Abode SMP? It's an SMP that I was in ages ago. You told us nothing about it. It's still in Twitch bio. I ended, and it's not in my Twitch bio because, it's still in my Twitch bio because I don't want to leave the Twitch team. Because that's a lot of hassle. So, you know, there is no more about SMP. I'm sorry, Pistol. I thought you would have known that. If you were a real fan, you would know. Anyway, yeah, I'm gonna, like, go and die now, if that's good. Oh, look, I don't appreciate that at all. Oh, I need to make dinner as well. What should I have for dinner, guys? I'm kind of debating some lovely food. Well, brother, don't ask when. It was a road to hell. Yeah, it was just a chill content SMP with some buddies, to be fair, Ethan. Ended quite a bit ago, to be fair, because it just, like, people got busy, that kind of thing. But yeah, okay, I'm going to end now. I'm not going to raid because, frankly, I don't feel like it. That's my reasoning. We're all brain dead right now. I think we all need to go to bed, to be honest. If you don't, you should get a grip. But yeah, okay. So anyway, I'm gonna go fuck off now. Okay. Bye bye. Okay. Thanks for watching, guys. Thanks for watching my suffering. I'm literally smarter than all of you, but that's fucked up, Abyssal. That's really not cool.